Cadillac just walked up to the entire hypercar establishment, slapped him in the face with a gold-plated glove, and erased the word limits from the dictionary. Seriously, forget everything you thought you knew about American luxury, because the brand new 2027 Cadillac CT9-V Blackwing didn't just break the rules, it shattered them, threw the pieces into a V12 blender, and served it to the competition on a silver platter. This isn't a car, it's a rolling declaration of absolute martial law on wheels. Let's talk presence, because this thing looks like a stealth fighter that decided to stop hiding. Draped in a mesmerizing liquid metal dark bronze finish that looks like poured silk, the CT9-V Blackwing commands the road with a sheer level of disrespect for traffic. It has a fastback silhouette so predatory and aggressive that it genuinely looks like it's breaking the sound barrier while sitting perfectly still at a red light. You got a massive, menacing mesh grille flanked by Caddy's signature vertical blade LEDs that slight through the dark like laser beams. And the shoes? Massive, turbine-forged 24-inch wheels that look ready to rip up asphalt and reshape the Earth's crust. It's imposing, it's gorgeous, and it's unapologetically loud before you even touch the starter button. Pop the door, and you don't just sit down, you ascend. The interior feels like a billionaire's private jet crossed with NASA Command Center. The entire dashboard is swallowed by a wall-to-wall panoramic curved OLED cockpit that gives you so much real estate it feels like you're staring into the future. Every single surface is draped in hand-stitched, full-grain leather that smells like old money and success, accented by a breathtaking crystal-cut gear selector. Turn on the ambient gold lighting and the whole cabin glows with pure, unadulterated flex. It's the kind of luxury that makes you want to drive with a tuxedo on, even if you're just hitting the drive-thru for a late-night burger run. But let's get down to the real insanity. Under that sculpted hood sits the most audacious, mind-melting heart ever stuffed into a Cadillac, an hand-built 6.6-liter Quad-Turbo V12 Blackwing engine. We are talking about a monstrous 1,200-plus horsepower and 1,100 pound-feet of torque. This 4,800-pound Grand Tourer launches from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. That is not a launch, that is teleportation. Keep your foot buried and it will scream past 230 miles per hour, making it the fastest, most violently powerful Cadillac ever engineered. And thanks to active aerodynamics, massive carbon ceramic brakes, and magnetic ride control 5.0, it doesn't just go fast in a straight line. It handles like it's glued to the track by gravity itself. It doesn't compete, it dominates. At a jaw-dropping $2.85 million, the CT9-V Blackwing is the ultimate status symbol for anyone who wants to look the automotive world in the eye and say, "I win." It is pure, unfiltered American dominance. So I've got to ask you guys, if you had the cash, are you picking this up or are you sticking to the usual European hypercars? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that subscribe button for Drivium X, share this with your crew, and I'll catch you in the next one.